Welcome to 1010 Analytics. In this video, we're going to learn about what exactly is business analytics, why do people value it so much, and what are some real-world examples where this can be applied. Before we jump in, if you feel like I'm speaking too slow or too fast in this video, you can adjust the video speed to your liking by using the settings button in the video player. Now let's get started. What is business analytics? A good number of businesses have a plethora of data just lying around waiting to be analyzed and understood, and all this data has the potential to provide insights to increase business profits. For example, you could figure out what price to set a new smartphone at, figure out the optimum number of people who need to work at a store. And there are quite a few tools and techniques that exist in this day and age that can be leveraged by us to use data to gain business insights. Broadly speaking, this very process of using tools and techniques to convert data into meaningful business insights is called business analytics. Now you may be wondering, what kind of data are we even talking about? So the data can come in a multitude of sources, like sales data from local spreadsheets, sentiment data from social media like Twitter, audio recordings from customer service calls, and even patient MRI scans from hospitals. And to better understand why people value business analytics so much and what tools and techniques are used for getting business insights, let's go over a couple of examples where this could be applied in the real world. So let's say a grocery store has multiple branches in different locations. Data can be collected from each branch using cash registers to document the time at which customers stopped there and the total amount that was spent there. And you know how some grocery stores have these reward program cards? Yeah, they're using that to store what you're buying in your purchase history. But anyways, even without those reward cards, the cash registers give enough information to figure out what are the most popular times for each branch and which branches are not doing well enough. So this information can in turn be used to optimize the staffing model for each branch to minimize losses and maximize return on investment. Now, what tool or technique would someone use to do these calculations? Well, here's what I would do. I would create a mathematical model in Microsoft Excel. Yes, you heard that right. You'll be surprised at how powerful Excel is for mathematical modeling. Initially I was all about Python and MATLAB, but Excel blows them out of the water in this case in terms of efficiency. I'll most likely go over step-by-step instructions in the future video as it is out of scope for this video. Anyways, let's go over another example of business analytics. Now, a bank wants to advertise 3 programs to existing customers. The first program is for providing education loans. The second one is for providing car loans. And the third one is for providing retirement plans. Now, the bank does not want to spam all its existing users with all of these plans at once whenever they log in to their digital banking website. Now, how does the bank ensure that its advertisements reach the right customers? Now, here's a secret. Banks use personal data about their existing customers all the time, like their age, their address, their amount in their savings account, their monthly rent or mortgage payments, their salary, their spending patterns, etc., to figure out which financial services is each customer most likely going to choose? So let's say an existing customer is 21 years old and has less than $2 in his or her savings account. And the bank can use this information to make a prediction that there's a 90% chance that this customer is going to need a car loan. And the bank makes this prediction by analyzing a bunch of historical data belonging to their existing customers, other customers. This way, whenever that person logs in to their banking website, they're immediately going to see an advertisement about the bank offering car loan services, like click here to apply. And if that happened to me, I'd be like, whoa, I was just thinking about that. That is very thoughtful of you. And because it's right there, I'm just going to apply for it. And this can also be applied or used for other information, like which customer is likely to get a house, which one is likely to start building an investment portfolio, which one is about to go to university, which one is thinking about retiring. And the bank can then target advertisements to customers that are most likely going to be relevant to them based on their personal data. And then the targeted advertisement can increase the chance for attracting customers, increase sales and services and profits, etc. Now, what tool or technique would someone use to make these predictions? Here's what I would do. I would use machine learning in Python. I would have to select which features I'm interested in, either manually or through running some code. So let's say I'll tell Python that I'm only interested in 2 features, age and amount of savings. And then I'll ask Python, hey, can you predict who will use car loan services just based on their age and amount of savings? And then Python would go through its training data and then validate the results using testing data, and would tell you that, yes, I can make this prediction with a 90% accuracy. Or it would tell you something like, I can only predict it with a 50% accuracy. So I'm likely going to be wrong half the time. So that is how I would target relevant advertisements to customers based on their personal data. Now I'm going to be uploading new videos every week. I encourage you to click the subscribe button so my videos show up on your subscriptions page in case I upload something interesting that catches your eye. And let me know what you think about this video by either clicking the like or dislike button or leaving a comment. My name is Mohit Singh. Thank you very much for watching.